how to log in to Slack account. So if you want to log into Slack account, then first you need to open up a browser, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. So go with search, and under search you need to search for Slack login. Once you've searched, now here you will get sign into Slack or slack.com on the first search. Click on the search and it will take you to the Slack website, and scroll down or go with sign up, which is on the upper right. And from here you can enter your email address or continue with your Google or your Apple if you don't have your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign into an existing workplace, then you can simply go with the bottom, which is sign into an existing workplace, and simply enter your email address and then go with sign in with email. Or you can also sign in manually instead of your email. So if you sign in manually, then Slack will send you a magic code for a password free sign in. Or you can also enter your email address and go with sign in with email and enter your code which you've received on your email. And after that, you need to enter your password and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can log in or sign into your Slack account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.